Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to copy a course in Canvas using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Canvas Student or Canvas Teacher app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on the course you want to copy. You need to be inside the course you want to duplicate. Next, tap the course menu, the three lines at the top left corner. Scroll down and look for Settings at the bottom. Tap it. In Settings, scroll until you see Copy this course. This option lets you make full copy of your course including content assignments. Tap on it. Now Canvas will ask for a new course name. Type the name you want like math, science or whatever you prefer. You may also see options like copy all content or adjust dates. If you want everything moved over, just leave it on copy all content. If you are copying for a new semester, you can turn on adjust events and due dates to shift dates automatically. Once everything looks good, tap create course or course copy. Canvas will start copying in the background. It may take a few minutes depending on the size. To see your copied course, go back to the home screen and check courses. If you don't see it, swipe down to refresh. Your new course will appear with the name you choose. And that's all. We have successfully copied a course in Canvas useful. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.